Going on, everyone? Sam here with Late Sports Cards, from 23 Panini Spectra Football Hobby. 2-box break number 8, pick your team style. Names and teams got Justin S. with the Chargers, Scott F. Chiefs, Ryan B. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Adam L. with the Steelers, Bob M. Colts, Titans. Brandon I. Patriots, Brian G. with the Cardinals, Browns, Daniel A. Raiders, Giants, Bucks, Commanders, Bengals, Vikings, Jets. Derek M. Lions, Dustin B. Texans, Edward P. Saints, Jeffrey H. Falcons, Justin S. Chargers. Cash K, Packers, Long J, Seahawks, Mark B, Eagles, Matthew G, Bills, Nathan A, Broncos, Ryan B, Panthers, Niners, Dolphins, Sam W, Cowboys, Scott F, Chiefs, Stephen H with the Rams, Thomas S, Bears, Jags, and Wayne P with the Ravens. So good luck, everybody. Let's do it. Yeah, this is the last break before I go home and take a nap for sure. Whew.
Sam doesn't sleep, he's lying.
Basically don't, dude.
I know where Chippy will be.
On the pitch? Probably.
There's games for hours.
Eric Gray. Silver. That is a Mac Jones Universal to 8. 4 of 8. Nice one there for the Patriots. Got Jalen Hurts to 75 on the Sunday Spectacle jersey. And nice. That is Aspiring rookie jersey auto of Quentin Johnson, 27 to 30. Last team taken. They hit both times.
There you go.
Not bad.
That's spot magic.
Chromatic Jordan Addison, number 250. Congrats on that one. DJ Moore Hyper to 75. Got Jalen Carter, number to 40. Nice patches on that. 4-color, 2-color. Congrats on that. Eagles. And then a Jordan Addison. Hyper RPA, number to 60. 35 to 60 for the Vikings. Congrats, Minnesota.
Minnesota.
Bryson with a spot tonight. Thank you, buddy.
Minnesota.
Screw those guys. Jerry Rice.
Till the end.
To 99 is Emmanuel Forbes. So you say it backwards. Congrats on that, Commanders. Got Marvin Mims building blocks to 75. Dom with some spots tonight. Thank you, buddy. To 99 is Zach Charbonnet. Zach Charbonnet going to the Seahawks. Building blocks. And then Tyler Algier. That is to 199 for the Falcons. Congrats to ATL. Thank you, Kyle.
Appreciate it, Kyle.
Of course.
Zach Charbonnet. Nice. Patrick Mahomes. Green scope number 230. 2 off jersey number 13 of 30. Congrats there, Chiefs. That's actually pretty cool. I like that card. It's a nice looking one. Eli Manning. That is going to be 2-color patch to 15 on the Epic Legends. And going to the Dolphins. Signatures meta to 25. Tyreek Hill. Congrats, Miami. Nice one there. Another team that sat for a while. So congrats, Miami. Good stuff there, Fins. Signatures meta to 25. Last box of the day, everybody. Of the daytime. Jordan Addison. That's just a silver, yep. Interstellar is Peyton Manning to 60, 51 of 60. I think this is going to be a random. Yes, this one's going to be a random. That is going to be Patrick Mahomes and Joe Burrow. Nice one there, 13 of 15. Random to the Chiefs and the Bengals. Chiefs and Bengals. Good luck to both of you on the random. And then Hendon Hooker, rookie jersey auto, 2 of 35. Congrats on that on the green scope.
Back.
Oh, man.
Hey.
Spectacular of
Hey, now.
Josh Allen to 99.
I'm leaving.
Yeah. 75, Luke Musgrave on the Hyper. JSN, that is 56 to 75. Nice one there on the Celestial jersey for the Seahawks. And then 2-colored RPA, Zay Flowers, 2/15. Nice one there for the Ravens.
Back.
What the?
Joe Namath base. Danny
Keep on your
Dimes
toes.
/99. What's up?
Keep you on your toes.
JD Davis on waivers.
Oh, wow. It's a 40 is nice. Roshan Johnson, 3-color patch on the Astral. Roshan Johnson. Yeah, I agree on that. I think we all can simultaneously agree on that statement, Justin. And Green Scope, Patrick Willis. 10/35. Absolute beast.
Sam
Patrick
boy right
Willis. It is. It's my guy. One of my guys. Any middle linebacker from the year like 07 to like 2016 is automatically my guy.
I like it. Luke Kuechly.
Yeah, big time.
So Luke Kuechly,
Big
at least
time.
he falls in that range.
Hendon Hooker. Actually, funny enough that you brought the two of them up. I did own at one point jerseys of both of them. There you go.
Let's go.
Got Hendon Hooker, rookie. Orange die cut is /15. Damian Pierce. We've got /99. That is Jalen Waddle. Congrats on that one there at Dolphins. And then Tank Bigsby, number 2/75. Congrats on that one. All right, quick random between the Burrow and the Mahomes on the rivals. Chiefs, Bengals. All right, doing the rookies from last year. Roll the dice. Gonna go at 9 times on the Burrow Mahomes /15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Going to the Bengals. Congrats, Cincy. Going to the Bengals. All right, of course, we had that dual patch. That is going to be a Jalen Waddle, Roshan Johnson, JSN, Eli Manning, Zach Charbonnet, Marvin Mims, Jalen Carter, and Jalen Hurts. Autos, you had Tank Bigsby, Patrick Willis, Zay Flowers, Hendon Hooker, Tyreek Hill, Tyler Algier, Jordan Addison, and Quentin Johnson. We'll do it for the break, everybody. Thanks again for the fill. Next up is nothing.